Guys, it's me, Corey. Sorry I haven't posted in a little while. I had a couple of mic issues, but it's gone now. So I'm here with another tutorial. This one, I'm going to be teaching you how to enhance what you do in Roblox Studio, like make it faster or make it easier. Um, these are things that you can use even if you're a builder or a scripter. Um, just new to development. This can be used for anyone. Uh, so right here, you'll notice in my Explorer, I don't have every single little instance. But I can fix that. Like, let's say you want to add a team, but you don't want to go through all the scripting trouble, and you're a lazy scripter and stuff like that. I'm a lazy scripter, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Service here, and there's this thing that says Insert Service. And I can insert data store service, but unfortunately I can't insert it here because it is uh, I mean it's its own client. The client is the server in this case because it's running off of your computer. But I can add teams and insert object team and Deus Ex Machina. There we go. And there. Yeah. But that's one of the things that you can do to speed up the process of making a game. There are multiple others. One way you can actually make it easier for you, like say that the traditional script layout is boring. What you can do is you can actually go to File, Settings, and you can scroll down and you can choose the color for your hover over color and select color. And down here you have the script editor colors, and you can change these as well. I changed mine and it looks pretty cool. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Um Another thing I'm going to teach you is, let's just say I make an error script dot workspace dot part. But there is no part in the workspace. So it's an error. If I run it, it will fail. However, if I click script menu here and then click all on all exceptions, debug errors, then yeah, sorry, my uh studio's been glitching out for a little while, so it won't work in this fashion. So I can't necessarily show you here, but it's a strategy that you can use, like if you're having trouble with the script and you don't know where the error is, even the output won't help you. It's just something you can do. Another thing that is really cool is if your game is constantly getting hacked and such, then you can just go to workspace and click filtering enabled, and that separates the client from the server. But when you do this, you will require, not that you can have, but you will require a remote event or remote function to carry on the instructions from the client to the server or the server to the client. Like, let's say if you want to shoot somebody with a bullet. Um, Actually, you know what? Let's make a kill brick. Uh, you're gonna require a remote event as a one-way call function. Well, not function, event, to uh, take the instructions from the server to the client to kill the player. It's very interesting the way it works, but Usually it's not that hard if you get a hold of it. Sometimes people can't get a hold of it, and I will be making a tutorial on it eventually. But let's say that you have multiple parts. And I already covered this, but let's say you have multiple parts. And you want to weld them together, but you don't have the time or patience to do the C-frame inverse that I made in my last video. Then what you can do is you can simply select all the parts and unify them, and they're permanently unified unless you click separate, in which case they'll break apart. Or if you want to make a very particular thingamajig, some sort of let's just say creative license thing, then what you can do is you can negate this part and mix it with yay part, unify. It's pretty cool. Let's see, is there anything else? You know what? If you find out any tips or tricks that other people can use, you can just put it in the comments below. And if you need any more tips, you can just read the comments. There might be some that I haven't touched up upon. But I see you guys later. All right, bye.